You want to know what the American dream is actually like? Handcuffing yourself, legitimately handcuffing yourself to getting good grades in high school, getting the right major, getting good grades in college, and then handcuffing yourself to a desk and a freaking cubicle for the next 40 years so maybe you can take your grandkids to Disney World once in a while, okay? You want to know what for me personally has legitimately and the most clearly way I can say it in my life has unlocked me, has unchained me from the American dream? Starting a business, okay? When I started a business, I uncuffed myself and I opened myself up to the world. And you want to know where I started my business at? What platform, what I'm doing? Selling products on Amazon. 55% of all products that are sold on Amazon are sold by people like me and the tall guy behind the camera, okay? They are. That's just a fact. There's no denying that. And so what I'm telling you is if in your life right now, especially in 2020, with COVID, with the election, with going into 2021, more lockdowns coming, who knows? You feel like you're handcuffed? Start a business, go on Amazon, right? And uncuff yourself. And if you don't know how, all you gotta do is click the button. We'll teach you. That's what I got. Click the button, uncuff yourself. That was really scary. Bye.
Just so everyone is aware, he locked himself to that. I had the keys. That's a lot of trust.
It is.
Give me some. Click the link. Bye.